Give us a huge thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Today we're making slime. The ingredients we'll need is
shaving cream,
color changing glue,
borax, powder,
and water. If you we'll also need some tools to make it in, like we'll need some plates and a spoon. Also, we'll need a jug and another spoon, but this spoon over here has to be a teaspoon.
Yes, okay? Yeah, we'll need to get another spoon for this powder. Hey, Mom, can you please get us another spoon?
Okay, now let's start. First, what we're gonna need to do is we're gonna get the water and put a teaspoon of borax into the water. Half a teaspoon. Yeah, that's good, that's good. After we need to stir it with this and dissolve it with oil.
Okay, can I please stir it?
Yes, sir. Until it's fully dissolved.
Yeah, it's a no, it isn't.
There'll be some powder in it if it's not fully dissolved.
Okay, like right now.
It's going to take a little while, so we're going to pause the video and speed it up a little bit. Now we're going to be doing the glue. Well, we're done now, and now we're going to be doing the glue and the shaving cream. First, we put the glue into half a cup. Let's go.
And then I'll do the shaving cream.
It's taking long. I'm just going to take the full out. Wow, this is going to turn out well.
Ooh. No.
Oh, it's not enough. Do you think we should put in a little bit more? I think we should put in a little bit to get some time. You think we should? Just getting it all out first. That's enough.
That's my turn with the shaving cream.
Get out. I'm just going to let it right out. Ah, the evil light. I'm going to put that in now. To this slime. Okay? Can I do it fast? This is going to be a little bit difficult.
Wait,
I'm trying, okay? I'm seeing if I can get it. Let's see if I can get it. Wait, that's good. We're just learning how to do this, okay? We've never made slime before.
We have a couple times, but we're not used to using shaving cream. And we're used to doing it a different way.
Can I help you? I'm just helping you away because this is a little hot.
My mom's going and she's always going to walk around there. That's the way Mom should use that tag.
Is this enough? A little more.
Let's put some on our hand because it's funny.
Just one touch more and then we're going to be stopping. There. Just one more touch, okay? One more touch. We're just doing one more touch because we've never made it before, okay? It's like Play-Doh. You can't do the wrong moves. Okay, we're mixing it now.
Hey, can I please?
Let's mix it together.
Wait, I'll mix it with this.
Okay. So making slime.
It's so fun.
Yeah. Even though we don't have the activation in, but it's still. I feel like it's slime.
Yeah.
Already. This is color changing glue. You can do whatever glue you like.
Yeah, but we just. It's gonna change to purple. It starts off blue and then it changes to purple, doesn't it?
Yeah, when it's in the sunlight.
And our mom's in the corner, like we said, and She's right, and she's really happy right now.
Is this how we do it? Is this good? Okay.
And today is actually with Halloween.
Yes, Halloween today. Woo!
Yeah, and we are in lockdown, so that's why we did this channel today.
I'll do it. So next step, we're getting
Wait, guys, pause the video.
No, we're not. Okay, we're back.
Yeah.
I'm just putting this spoonful of borax and water into the shaving cream and glue.
And then I'm gonna mix it.
Now we need to mix it to we activate it.
So now I'm gonna fix it on my side because it was too close to my sis. I'm only 5 and she's 7. So we're 2 years apart.
Okay. Oh, it's looking like slime. Ollie, put it in the middle. Now to show the people how it's looking, it's already looking like slime. Let's show the people how it is. Woo! Now we need to split it up.
I'll split it.
Really?
Actually, I'll let it tap.
This one? This one? Okay.
And on my side,
How to get it off? Oh my god.
and I'll use my spoon. This enough?
Okay. We're just trying to put this in.
Crazy, Leah.
Can I have another spoon to just like spread it up?
Me too.
I'll just get it.
Anyone too?
Okay, we're back. Okay, let's just trying to get the slime into this. Just don't mind her. Oh my god. I'll help you. Yeah, spread this off.
No, I just like yours off.
I'm giving it to you. Okay, I'm just gonna get
You're making me squirt.
it. No, to give it to you. Okay. My hands now. I'm just gonna scoop it up and.
I'm gonna use my hands too to mix it.
Sweet.
We're using our hands now to mix it on pieces.
Mine feels like slime already.
Yes, sticky slime.
Slime. This is literally our first time making slime from scratch.
Yeah. We have got slime before.
Yeah, but we've never made it.
But this is one of our first times.
Super sticky but super fun.
Yeah, we never made slime before.
This is. Have you ever made slime before? Comment down below if you can.
Yeah, because ours, the first shot was super good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Yeah,
What if we overactivated it?
yeah, that would be bad.
Bad.
Bad. Bad.
Maybe we underactivated it. I don't know.
Yeah.
We don't know at all.
It will turn purple soon.
When we put it in sunlight.
Yeah. That's what the package said.
You don't need the food coloring, but if you're using normal glue, you'll need food coloring to change it. We will recommend you using blue, pink, and yellow. But right now, we're just.
No, we would rather you using pink or blue or purple and blue. Because that is our favorite colors.
So we're just adding more shade.
me using my shaving cream.
More shaving cream, the better.
Using more shaving cream. Let's look back her Samoa had to put slime in her hair. Yeah, on purpose. But she didn't want to. The iPhone told her to. They were controlling them for 24 hours. You know, Matty and James. I mean, the red hot spies are the James.
Getting better, so we're gonna add more.
Mom keeps on adding more. That's Mom that hand.
Can I put it on my nose, please? Now let's coolly the shaving cream.
Shaving cream, no! I wonder how this one will be.
Mine's definitely getting less sticky.
Mine isn't even sticky now.
More
Only
stretchy. Well, you might have messed hers up.
no.
We decided to add more activation in it, and look, it's working.
Yeah, mine is already done, I think, and
No.
it's super fun.
No, I don't think yours is
So
That's definitely not done. So, who do you think slime will be done first?
yeah, comment it down below. Me, Aaliyah, or Alyssa the pizza.
So, I feel like I'll probably finish first because mine is already slime pretty much.
Mine is already slime pretty much.
Update. Woo! Mine's almost slime. Like, there's only a couple more steps to slime.
I'm gonna give away some of my slime now. Take some. Mom, take some of my slime for the next person. Hi guys.
Mine's just a little bit sticky. You feel my mama. Feel my mama. Mommy, feel mine.
We just put the video because we had to clean up ourselves, and we got ourselves in the bowl so we can show you the tank video.
We'll see you guys when we get outside.
Yes.
So we are out here and our slime is color changing. So can you guess the color? We'll give you a hint. It's the last color in the rainbow. Purple.
Purple! And we get to play with it. It's really fun, and I might even give some of my slime to some of the YouTubers.
If we beat them anytime soon.
Yeah. And if your name's Rebecca,
Zamolo.
Samelo, or Brianna, or let's you say the next one. Or Preston, Brianna's wife. I mean husband.
That's funny.
We love your videos.
Yeah, we're giving you a big shout out to you.
Yeah, so you can come to our house. The code is to you guys. Unless you tell them.
We're not going to tell you our address, but we're just going to say hi.
Alright. And we're also going to tell you what street we're on.
No.
Hang
That's a
on.
big lie.
Hang
And
on.
bye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.